welcome back. Abom the Brighty, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Duppy, buzzing to you. You understand? So I was just eating my breakfast. And I did watch Wayshae official Wayshae video on YouTube. The Duppy prank on his mother. I said no, but like I not even reach halfway in the video yet. Like, but then near to the beginning really. I said no, man, I have to do a reaction to this. Like, it's too funny. So I'm not finish all of the video yet. So I said I go react to it. So here it goes. Wait. Yo, your mother the best. Please subscribe to his channel below. The link I'll get in the description, and support this fellow right here, because I tell you, him the best. Your mother the best. Anyways, should I continue? I'll just continue. Why? What's Wayshae? Watch mommy, watch mommy. Sounds energy. Look at that one. Mommy, now help me. In 19 man. Watch. Let's see. Cross up on fire, boy. Cross up. The guy with me. The guy with me. The little come from. The boy. The little come from. What's wrong? What's wrong? I don't know joking. See that? I mean, the friend. A YouTuber.
Don't go.
Mommy, I say you can't act Wayshae.
Professor. You got me money. You go. Wait. Kill.
Hey, man, jump up on you, man. Mental.
Is that Duppy scare prank, mommy? You don't see him?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm a flip to it. See him there, Wally. Come on, go. Can't jump.
Because it's a prank.
See him there, run up in front of me. You're afraid? Yeah, run away. Put up afraid of him. Hey, boy. You're messing up, man. Pick up all the next time. Hey, boy. You're messing up.
Let's show up on table. Catch her. You can't manage. Watch it add. Alright, we're back. Jesus have mercy. A WWE. You not scary, mommy, you know? It's a work, man, it's a work.
The blood of Jesus gets you. Come closer.
No, the two love you.
Eh? Where you are? What?
What?
You're just dead.
Me done.
They say, which was sad. Holy sad. Come some sad, man. No, sad, go.
No.
Fucking love the part. No, you see, man, what did I do now? You're there, go see you. I want to that one. Wait, man, quick, wait. Oh, I want to hear that. I want to hear that.
I want that thing up in the hand.
So we have to
No, sir.
sitting there, flash somebody's funny. I want to hear that. Yes. Pay my boy Duppy. I want to hear. Come here. Come on, hey boy.
We afraid feet, you know, like, we just think him gonna hurt himself.
You see him? Look good. Sing that. You see him? Look good. Sing that.
You don't see him?
Sing that. You see him? I'm a trip up. You feel afraid? Hey, I'm a trip up. Hey boy. You messing man. Touch me for man.
Come on, sweet.
Oh. You feel afraid? You don't feel afraid.
This one more like.
Want to hear that? Can't ask me about this dad. You know who party that? You know much money can have. And this is not a joke, you know.
Come on, come here,
When you don't man out here.
come on, my bumper ass club.
Who me a cause about here when you don't man out the killer? He'll say, don't man. He'll say, hear me, I say, go to the house. Get out. Run away.
He serious with you, though?
Let the people that come help you kill him too.
He's not wrong.
You know, in a sense. I'm a bad man who's coming in now. Eh? You know what I'm murder? Let's say, I found my father the day, hey. You know what I'm saying? See you at the in front of me like him, man. Ah! Hey, boy, tell me come on, man. Eh? How you? You see him? 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 You see him?
Me not laugh, me don't. But that hurt me.
Just don't want to be here. And Francie boy, ramping me. Come on. Come out. Get out. Come out.
Mommy, I say it too.
I want to get out.
Mommy say come out.
Say come get this. Me not live there in the touch me. Come on, I should be shoot me. I should be shoot me down. I should be shoot me down. I should be shoot me. I should be shoot me.
No.
Come on. Get out. Get away. Come on. Eh? Come on. I think we're afraid of that. Eh? Let's see how put them on. Me just say I think we're afraid of that. Come on.
So I see
Watch
elevator
the ads.
like mental exercises.
See some kind of right there.
Come on, tell me out some soul, nasty rice, drop the thinking, rock neighbor, bitch.
Oh.
Come on!
Come out.
No. I want prank, mommy.
No, but you remember check that.
Oh.
Rock neighbor stinking bitch.
Rock the neighbor stinking me remember. Come out. Get out.
Why you not my boss?
Come out, yeah. I want to deal with me. After one day, I'm supposed to come in and talk to you like you want to rub with me. Come out, yeah, boy. Where are the boy? Eh? Tell him, come on.
Come on!
Come on. Tell him again.
Come on!
Come on.
Oh,
Tell him again.
nasty rotten dog.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Hear that boy?
Jesus, come on!
You have to like Jesus.
Come on!
You think we don't know find him? Eh? The barn and oh, where Jesus born? I just from the barn boy. Eh? We don't fear no. Oh, God, we say that is. Eh? You know me?
Come on!
You know me? You have me chant the songs in that one cap. Roll up and down. I want you to me. Come here. Come here, movie. I'll focus to you.
Get back from here!
No man, you not touch your man. You can't touch your. Where are you, dad? How are you? Move it. Back up.
Sure, so oh, Betsy must show you camera.
I want to hear that. I want to hear that. I want to. Come on.
Watch it,
Yeah,
watch it.
move me.
Why am I like Jesus and my bumble clock table? I want to you, boy. Wayshae. Good way of me in the house and get on a decent table and jump. Bumble and stop where I want to see the problem.
No, the people that never practice, I never practice. Look how me straight.
No man.
Move it.
Okay.
Some people.
Intellect.
Thanks, I was. Drops. You do it, things.
Disgusting shit.
Drops. Come here, move it. Come here, see you.
He push it like if a camera right in the camera, then he just took up the phone and show it.
Table and jump up on a decent
Not true, mommy.
bumble clock. Why I want to top man, I'm in a top man.
Yeah, thanks so much. People be doing this epic. The shirt.
And
Let
I'm
me
nice.
fix it.
Yeah, I'm in the top, Duppy.
Ah, you paper going to be
You know you're over answer.
What movie? You didn't get free.
Yeah, we can free it and I
Oh
jump on
gosh.
the
It worked, man, it worked.
Just be. Thanks for watching. Remember for watching ads and my name pop up. Then
For
if
real.
you want, I said one promo one.
So, Wayshae come back again with another prank. And of course, it was epic. Big up yourself, Wayshae. You don't know. The shrimps.
Pick up yourself, my belly, because that's how we can live and do. Yeah.
Bye, guys. Bye.